Sir, good afternoon. Sir, you said yesterday that President Duterte will tolerate a slight delay on the return of the Canadian garbage. But last night, Secretary Locsin tweeted that the Philippines will be recalling the Philippines ambassador and consul to Canada until the Canadian
Yes.
government is able to recall.
Yes.
So bakit ganun, sir? I thought
Para that order of the recall is to persuade them to make it fast. The more they delay, the more personal will be coming back. Di ba, we should have statement noon pa that the refusal to bring the garbage back to their shores is disruptive. That's what the word I use. Disruptive of our diplomatic relations. Yun ang nga nangyayari.
sir, may information kayo doon sa delay. Saang kanino
Sinasabi kasi nila maraming documentation. I don't know kung anong klaseng documentation yun.
But this is the fault of which government? The Philippine or the Canadian
Sa
government?
kanila.
Why, sir?
Ay, hindi ko alam. Basta yun ang sinasabi nila. Documentation daw ang kailangan pa.
Documentation from Canada.
From Canada siguro. Siguro, baka ang problema nila, kasi di ba nagpadala yata private companies, they're requiring them to bring back the garbage. O baka ayaw pumayag yung, kaya kakaproblema sila. But regardless of whatever reason, they have to
So yung mga
return.
yung mga documents and papers na kailangan ng Philippine government to ship the Canadian garbage out of the country, wala pong
Hindi
problema
ka natin
dito.
alam kung what's stalling them. From the tweet of Secretary Locsin, they were supposed to meet yesterday. The Canadian authorities at saka DFA. Pero hindi sila sumipot sa customs. So kaya nag-trigger. Hindi ba sabi niya? That triggered it. In other words, kung hindi kayo sincere, bakit pa kakaroon tayo ng relasyon? Kaya pinauwi niya.
Sir, itong recall na to, does it mean that the Philippines is not convinced of the sincerity of the Canadian government?
That recall shows that we are very serious in asking them to get back their garbage. Otherwise, we're gonna severe relations with them.
The Philippine government is not taking the word of the Canadian government that they
Come
will
again?
ito pong Philippine government is not taking the word of the Canadian government that they will be taking their trash back.
Hindi, nababagalan tayo sa kanila, kaya pinare-recall na natin.
Thank you, sir.
Baka matuluyan na yan.